Toy Truck Thursday! Let's get on, baby. Oh, God. What's up, dog? How's your week?
Pretty good.
Flowing. Look at that. The 72 flex head ratcheting wrench set. Those are nice. There we go. 4-piece curved pry bar set, buddies. We got the multicolors, the green, the perp. I'm sure they got other ones, but these are what we got in stock right now. A little crimping tool for open bear applications. Okay. And impact 12-piece driver set. Oh. What we got here? 13-piece quarter 3/8 half-inch drive ADV torque big socket set. That part number for you boys. Those are nice. Then you got the long boys here. Same thing as those we just looked at, but they're extended. You got that purple box right here, Matco 2S. It's your USB power. Little heavy duty expandable seat. I used to have one of these. This thing come in clutch. Okay. Little part number.